Nestled along the pristine shores of Rarotonga, Tamana Luxury Villas is a tropical haven where white sandy beaches and a breathtaking lagoon set the scene for an unforgettable getaway. Whether you're looking for a romantic escape or a family retreat, this exquisite resort offers the perfect balance of seclusion and sophistication. Each villa at Manava overlooks the crystal clear waters, allowing you to wake up to the serene beauty of the Pacific Ocean. You can choose from a selection of studio, 1, 2 and 3 bedroom villas, all designed with elegance and modern comfort in mind. Every villa features a private pool and an outdoor terrace, creating a tranquil sanctuary where you can unwind and soak in the stunning surroundings. For those who enjoy cooking, the fully equipped kitchens in each villa offer the perfect opportunity to prepare delicious meals. A grocery store located directly across the road makes it easy to dine in the privacy of your villa. Take advantage of the outdoor dining area while basking in the tropical breeze. A short walk from your villa opens up a world of culinary experiences with a variety of dining options right at your fingertips. Whether you choose to savour a relaxed cook-for-yourself evening or step out to enjoy the vibrant local dining scene, Manava Luxury Villas offers the perfect balance of seclusion and island flavour in the heart of the Cook Islands.